Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. Alright, so we're on Amazon, we're on their homepage and we have logged in. Make sure that you have logged in and we are going to make a purchase. Let us purchase something cool. So I'm just going to go into a random product over here and let's purchase some Red Bull. Why not? Click on the product, you are going to go to buy now. This will automatically take you to your cart or your checkout page where you can actually make the purchase. Now on the left hand side you will see your delivery address, then your pickup locations if you have one, and then your payment method, right? So what we can say over here is deliver to this address, and that's fine. Over here you will see payment methods. So here you have the option first of all to choose a bank and do an instant EFT, and then add a credit or debit card over here, which you will just add in the details of the card itself. And then you will have to enter a code over here once you're done. Now, if Klarna is one of your payment methods that's available in your region, you will see that Klarna will be part of this list over here. So what you'll do is simply click on that and you will then go ahead and choose that as a payment method. One of the other methods is that when you go into Klarna, you can actually create a temporary virtual card. Now, once you create this temporary virtual card, you will go in over here and click on add credit or debit card, and then you will use that temporary card's details, such as the card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, and add those details in over here when you are adding this debit or credit card. Then you can make your purchase and the funds will be deducted from your Klarna account. I hope this was helpful.